In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of your Gmail account. Whether you're using it on a shared computer, a public device, or simply want to ensure that your account is secure when you're away from your personal workspace, signing out is an essential skill. Let's dive right into the process to make sure you can safely log out of your account whenever you need to. First, let's get started by opening Gmail in your web browser. It doesn't matter which browser you use, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another option, as long as you have a stable internet connection. This will ensure a smooth browsing experience. Once you have your browser up and running, navigate to the Gmail website. Be sure that you're logged in, and you'll notice your inbox displayed on the screen, with emails sorted by date or according to your personal preferences. Now, let's focus on the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll spot your profile picture. It's typically a small circular icon, which might be your smiling face if you've uploaded a photo, or perhaps just the initial of your first name if you haven't. This is the key to accessing your account options. If you haven't already uploaded an image, go ahead and click on that profile picture. This action will prompt a drop-down menu to appear. Within this menu, you'll find several different options, but for today, we're focusing on signing out. Take a moment to look closely, and you'll see an option labeled Sign Out. It's as simple as that. Click on Sign Out, and this will redirect you to a new page, confirming that you are officially logged out of your Gmail account. It's important to note that if you have multiple accounts logged in simultaneously, this action will only sign out the account you selected. However, if you need to sign out of all accounts associated with your browser, you can choose the Sign Out of All Accounts option instead. Before we wrap up, here's a helpful tip. It's always a good practice to double-check and ensure that you've successfully signed out, particularly if you're using a public or shared computer. Just refresh the page or try accessing Gmail again. You should be prompted to log in, which confirms that you've signed out correctly. And there you have it. A straightforward yet crucial process that you should handle regularly. Signing out is one of the simplest ways to maintain the security of your Gmail account and keep your personal data protected. For those of you using personal devices, you might not need to sign out each time. Just ensure that your device itself is secure, utilizing passwords or biometric authentication. Thank you for spending these few minutes with me today, and happy emailing.